Hey everyone, Vinayak here. So the device I'm going to be reviewing today is a little different from the standard consumer tech that I always review. So this is the Modcon's air compressor and it's portable and this would be helpful in emergencies I guess. So let's check it out.
I purchased the Modcon's portable air compressor off Amazon and this looked quite unique. More of a racing car styling. As with most air compressors, this uses 12 volts which is provided through the connector within the car. Let's get the device out of the box. The color is the Lamborghini orange, making it look just like a racing car. We have adapters to allow using this compressor with other items such as bicycle tires, footballs, basketballs, and more. There is also a replacement fuse in case the fuse in the device blows. The instructions are just a simple slip with the do's and don'ts and basic functionality. Then we have a thank you card. Now for the main device. Looks really nice. The build is plastic and not very strong. We have a power button on the top here and above that is the LED light switch. Here's the 12 volt adapter that goes into your car. This powers the air compressor. On the front, we have a LCD display. Let's get the protective plastic off. Buttons under that are the plus and minus to set the pressure you want on the compressor and where you want it to stop automatically. This is the LED light that would light up when you tap the light switch on the top. Great if you're working in the dark. The rest of the body follows the racing styling. The bottom has an air vent to vent out heat as this device will get hot. Rubber pads on the bottom help keep the device from slipping around. This section at the back is where you would store away the power and the air compressor pipe and nozzle. This is how the nozzle looks, standard car tire size. Place the nozzle on the tire valve and push the lever down to lock. The air compressor is not that heavy. Here's how you would set the pressure you would need the compressor to auto stop at, which is set using the plus and minus buttons. The R button is used to change the units. Now let's move to the car and test it out. I have connected the power to the car's 12 volt socket. And here's the tire I'm going to inflate. Open up the valve and plug the nozzle in. The device should now show the current pressure in the car tire, minus at 24.5, which is quite low and I would need to get it up to 32 psi. The LED is not that clear in bright sunlight. Covering it with your hand will make it more visible. In darkness, it is more visible. Hit the power button and the compressor starts up. The compressor is quite noisy and would take at least 4 minutes to fill a tire. Mine is just topping it off, so it will take less than a minute. Make sure to give the compressor a few seconds to cool down before filling another tire. The compressor automatically stopped at 32.5 instead of 32, which is still fine. The power button doesn't pop out, so you will need to push it twice to start the compressor again. Let's check out the front LED. Hit the switch and it has lit up. This is quite useful while working on the car in darkness during emergencies. And here's how it looks in the dark.
This device is quite helpful actually, especially if you're on the highway or also in the city, and you would not need to go to a petrol bunk just to fill air. So that's one nice advantage that you have for this. The build quality is fine, not that great, but it is strong enough I would say, and the built-in tire pressure monitor is also a nice touch here. And you can set the PSI directly over here, which is quite nice through this interface here. It works and it's very helpful during emergencies, that I would say. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.